Hey guys, if you're sick of spending a bunch of money on alkaline water and doing all that heavy lifting, bringing them back home, then this might be a good solution for you. It's the Alkalife pH Booster, and the brand sent me a free sample so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use and how well it works. Now to use it, it's real simple. You're simply going to open it up. Now it does have a safety cap here, so it makes it harder for kids to open, so it doesn't just open right away. You're going to have to press down and give it a good twist. Now once it's open, you're simply going to add 3 drops. Give it a good spin. There you go, you got a cup of alkaline water. It's a very simple patented formula. It's simply made out of potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and distilled water. And there's 360 servings in just one bottle. It doesn't have a noticeable flavor. It's easy to prepare, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants alkaline water without having to go to the store and buy it and bring back those heavy cases home.